Most traders fail prop firm challenges within the first week. They make 3 critical mistakes that cost them thousands in fees. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to avoid these mistakes and pass any prop firm challenge on your first attempt. Welcome to this complete guide on passing prop firm challenges. I'm going to walk you through the exact 5-step system that has helped hundreds of traders get funded. Whether you're trying FTMO, Funded Next, or any other prop firm, this process works. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly what to do from day 1 to get your funded account. Step 1. Choose the right prop firm for your trading style. Not all prop firms are created equal. FTMO has strict consistency rules and requires at least 10 trading days. Funded Next offers instant funding options but has tighter profit targets. E8 Markets allows news trading but has stricter drawdown limits. The key is matching the firm's rules to how you actually trade. If you're a scalper, look for firms with no minimum trading day requirements. If you trade news events, make sure the firm allows it. Don't pick a firm just because it's popular. Pick the one where your strategy has the best chance of success. Step 2. Master the challenge rules completely. This is where most traders fail. They jump in without understanding the fine print. Every prop firm has 3 key metrics you must track: profit target, maximum drawdown, and daily loss limit. The profit target is straightforward. For a $100,000 account, you typically need 8 to 10% profit. But here's what trips people up: the drawdown calculation. Most firms use balance-based drawdown, not equity-based. This means your maximum loss is calculated from your starting balance, not your current equity. The daily loss limit is the silent killer. Even if you're up overall, one bad day can blow your account if you hit the daily limit. Know these numbers. Write them down. Check them every single day. Step 3. Implement strict risk management from day 1. This is the most important step. Professional prop traders never risk more than 1% per trade. On a $100,000 account, that's $1,000 maximum risk per position. Use the simple formula: account size times 1% divided by your stop loss in pips equals your position size. For example, on a $100,000 account with a 50 pip stop loss, you should trade 2 mini lots maximum. No exceptions. Set hard stops on every trade. No mental stops. No hoping the market turns around. If your stop is hit, you're done with that trade. Move on. Also, never trade within 2 hours of your daily loss limit. If you're down 4% and your daily limit is 5%, stop trading for the day. Protect your account. Step 4. Use a proven, simple trading strategy. You don't need a complicated system to pass a prop firm challenge. In fact, simpler is better. Focus on 1 or 2 currency pairs you know well. Trade only the highest probability setups. Here's a strategy that works consistently: trade only during the London or New York session when volume is high. Wait for clear market structure. Look for support and resistance levels that have been tested multiple times. Enter only when you see confirmation: a pin bar, engulfing candle, or break and retest. Set your take profit at 2 times your risk minimum. This gives you a 2-to-1 reward to risk ratio. You only need to win 40% of trades to be profitable. Don't chase trades. Don't revenge trade after a loss. Stick to your plan. The prop firms are testing your discipline, not your ability to predict every market move. Step 5. Plan your timeline strategically. Most prop firm challenges have a 30-day or unlimited time window. Don't rush. Take your time to hit the profit target safely. If you need 10% profit and you're averaging 1% per week, that's 10 weeks. That's fine. The firms want to see consistency, not lottery wins. Spread your trading days out. Don't do all 10 required days in 2 weeks and then stop. Keep trading even after you hit the profit target to show consistency. The goal isn't just to pass. The goal is to pass and keep the account long term. If you want to skip the challenge altogether and get funded faster, we can help. Elite PropX has a 95% success rate passing challenges for traders. We handle the evaluation, you get the funded account. Visit ElitePropX.com or check the link in the description. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, hit the like button and subscribe for more prop trading tips. Good luck with your challenge.